Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2011 Porsche Cayenne Turbo, and the front hood strut is failing. It just no longer has the capability to support itself anymore, so it's time to be replaced. As a former Boxster owner, I found it very interesting that the front hood only has one of these hood struts on a Cayenne, where my Boxster even had two and it had a smaller hood. Here is the new part that I just got on Amazon. I'll put a link to this in the description below this video. The only tool required to do this job is a small flathead Porsche screwdriver. Okay, well, it doesn't have to be Porsche. Let me show you on the new part. You can see that there is just kind of like a little C-clip here, and you'll be able to stick your screwdriver right behind this and pry this back some to open it. That will release the tension on this ball joint so it will come out. And the bottom has the same thing. Ideally, you have a second person to help you hold this open, but you can always use a prop. All right, I'm gonna start with the top. Just get the screwdriver behind this clip and pry it out towards the front of the car. And then once it's there, you should be able to twist and remove it just that easily. Make sure our support is still there and strong. That's good. And for the bottom, we're gonna do the same thing. Just open that clip up and that'll come right out. Now you do have your positive terminal here. Make sure you don't hit that. And installation is as easy as just pressing it on. Coming up here. Pressing that on. There. And if all went as well as expected, you can remove your prop. Your hood should remain opened by itself. And it should be nice and firm and spring up by itself. All right, so that's it, guys. Super easy DIY that anybody can do. Save yourself a lot of money. The part is like 20 bucks-ish or something. Again, go check it out, grab it on Amazon. You'll have it in a couple of days, be able to pop it in and out, and your hood will thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.